Okay, whenever I have to change a tire or put a tube in a tire for my mower, this is a tubeless tire. It developed a crack in the sidewall. It wouldn't hold air anymore, and I tried patching it on the inside the way I've done literally hundreds of times when I was a kid, patching tires, working in a service station for 85 cents an hour in the 60s. That didn't hold. I guess because it's on a sidewall. I don't know. I cleaned it and brushed it and cleaned it again and used vulcanizing glue and a patch, and I heated it with a match. Lit that up, put the fire out, stuck the patch on, and rolled it on with a roller. And it didn't hold. Okay. But my video is about how aggravating it is to try to change the tire on a rim when you can't get the rim to hold still. So, the way to do it is to get a bolt at the hardware store. This is a 1/2-inch bolt I've got in my vise, and some washers and a nut. That bolt is probably about 6 or 8 inches long. It might be 3/4 of an inch, but anyway, it fits through the spindle of the wheel, and that is solid, so I can do all my fighting with the tires. Okay, so I got a new tube. All right, always remember to take the valve core out, because you want to make sure that if you don't have to puncture the tire to get to the valve stem. Now you need a tool like this. Okay, this tool has the valve core remover on one end. Okay, and it's got a cable that screws on to the valve. Okay, so what do you use this for? When you're putting a tube in something, you stick this end through the hole. Once you get the tube inside, you screw that onto the valve, then you let it go in the tire. Then you fight with getting the tire back on the rim fully. Okay? When you're done, you may have to rotate the tire to align the valve with the hole, but you'll be able to pull the valve stem out through the hole that it should go through with this tool. So this is kind of a must-have, and that's how you hold the rim steel while you fight with it. See you there.